everyone's well and doing fine. All good here at Grandview. Bit of an update. Last time we were putting the decking down on the balcony, so we've got a lot done since then. We have the rafters up, the roof structure is up. We didn't use nipper this time, we used Sasak, which is a different leaf from a different plant, and it has a life expectancy of about 10 years before you have to replace it, whereas nipper
about 20
years.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So yeah, nipper only lasts about 5 years. So yeah, Paloy, Dalsing and Inad and Dundee have been working hard. Dundee wasn't here today, but yep, they've been collecting bamboos and stripping bamboos, and there's a lot involved with very labour intensive using bamboo, because you have to collect it, you have to strip it, you have to treat it, but the finished product is beautiful, native cottage design, and it's all weatherproof now. The ridge cap, bobong I think they call it.
Yeah, bobong.
Bobong ridge cap is all on top. I got a brown colour bond ridge cap, which is good because it's painted both sides. Usually the ridge caps rust out in this environment close to the ocean. So yeah, it's all happening. We're just doing the petitions now, the end wall petition and framing up and hardy flex, and yeah, then I'll do the handrails and stairs, probably will be last. So we're very happy with the structure and the design. It's very rigid, especially once we get the end wall in and the petition in the front. It'll be very rigid, so I'm happy with the strength of it. Today we laid the ply flooring, so it's ply flooring's all down. We'll be using a vinyl flooring, the clip together type vinyl flooring plank. That way it's fairly waterproof. Okay, so yeah, we're putting in double a sliding door here, double glass sliding door, aluminium. Well, it's a metal frame if the doors are aluminium, and the rest on the outside here. The framing will be Gemelina. You can see the framing up there, Gemelina, and I'll be using solid chunky members, and we'll leave it exposed on the inside. It'll have Amacan on the outside, then it'll have hardy flex, and then it'll have bamboos on the outside. So on the inside all you'll see is a Gemelina framing and the Amacan on the other side of the Gemelina. So this should look really good when it's finished, varnished. It'll have louvers up the top, 2 sets of louvers. Down the other end we'll have 2 sets of louvers up the top, door in the middle, and coconut lumber framing for the end wall, and hardy flex on the outside, and Amacan on the inside. Yeah, so with the balcony I'm going to use stainless steel wire, so you can actually see through the balustrading. I'll put a hardwood plank on the top so you can sit your cups or beer on the top of the handrail. So that'll all be done in a eucalyptus hardwood. and stainless steel wire. The stairs will be running down here, and there'll be timber stairs going onto concrete stairs. So there'll be timber, then down, and a concrete stair going down there. The view speaks for itself here. You're looking down into the gully. We're planning to put a screen down where the mango tree is for a projector, and the projector will shine onto the screen, and people can just sit down here in the gully and watch. We'll have a movie night, so it'll be an ideal view from here, looking down there. And yeah, so the view is out to Apu Island, but you're looking over the property.
Yeah, I like this tree here too, the branch sticking out a little bit, you know.
Yeah,
it's so natural.
Yeah, it's a very beautiful aspect. So yeah, it's going to be a great spot to sit on the balcony. It'll be very Instagrammable. It's going to look really good on booking.com. So that's the main thing, is for people to come here and appreciate it and enjoy it. So out the back we're planning to put a high fence down the back, and on the side of the building will be concrete fence, hollow block, and so it'll be made private with a 6-foot high fence. And in the back there we will landscape that area, and we will have the toilet to the left, and the shower will be at the back up against the rear high fence at the back. So it'll be landscaped, it'll be paved, and there'll be a lot of stonework as well, and it will be very rustic and very, very nice. Lots of plants and fresh air coming in, because it's an outside setup.
So I get Brian to explain it to you guys about the project. We have here in Grandview Cottages building a frame house. It is better, even though it's my channel, it's always good for Brian to join me, and he knows things about, you know, the project, so it's best he will explain than me. I'm just the video editor. I'm just kidding. So we're here sitting, guys, and enjoying the view. So today is day 17. Hopefully we will finish the project within a month, which I don't know if well, this is nearly, you know, this is getting nearly finished. And that's all what we have for you for today, guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in our next vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye.